So welcome back to another unboxing, and it is Nike again. I'm wearing Nike today. I'm just loving this Nike. This is a Jordan hoodie, and it's so comfy. And if you hear the wind whistling and anything going on in the background, it's snowing. We are in Wisconsin, so hello winter. So this is why I order some stuff from Nike, because they have the fleece and all of the toasty warm stuff. And as you can see, I'm not in my usual tank top. So the hot flash is over, baby. Well, for right now. Anywho, let's get right into it. The first package here. Some of this stuff is gifts. Oh, this is what I've been waiting for. This is, as you all probably realize, I am a Bucks fan, Milwaukee Bucks. So, I ordered this. Let me show you. It's the Michael Jordan edition, and it is adorable. Well, it looked that way on the website. So I ordered a few of these, so you might see a couple repeat. This is a 3X. This seems pretty roomy, actually. It has the Jordan logo on the sleeve. And this is loose fit, made in Vietnam. The Nike tee, made in Vietnam. Yeah. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, I love the shoes. I don't know, for some reason, I'm into Jordans lately. I don't know what happened. I've been always a Michael Jordan fan, but I've never been into buying Jordans, and now that's all I've been buying. Like, what's my deal? Okay, so here's another one. This might be the same thing. It is. I got some for gifts. So, yay! I'm excited about that. So, let's go right into a box here. So, every year I do, all right, let's see. We got this. We got this. We got this. And we got this. All right. This I ordered because your girl need to do something with herself, and I'm not making a resolution or anything. I'm going to try to make a lifestyle change, but yeah, this is cute too, so don't get me wrong, I ordered it because it's cute too, but your girl gonna have to try this on and see if I can do a little workout. This is kind of cute. So it's a one piece. The only thing with these things is that when you go to the bathroom, everything has to come off. But I did order some, it's Nike. I got a 2X. 2X, it's called, I don't know what it's called. It's called Tight Fit. That's what it said, Tight Fit. Well, when you plus size, everything is tight fit. I don't care. I mean, I haven't really bought anything that's loose. I mean, this is loose, but you know what I mean. All right, so here. Whoa. I'm getting a pile of stuff over here. Oh, looks kind of crop. It kind of looks like it's a little crop. We'll see. It didn't say crop when I purchased it online, but what do they call it? Loose fit. Loose fit. Yeah, we'll see. But look how nice and toasty it is in the inside. Look at the fleece. If you hear the wind whistling, you'll know you need fleece. And so I bought it, a white hoodie. I mean, you know, people say you can't wear white after Christmas or after Labor Day. You ain't the boss of me. I can wear white whenever I want to. And that's final, just so you know. So if you see me in white and you look at me like, why she got on white? It's after Labor Day. Mind your business. Don't worry about me. Worry about you. And it's cute. Cute, cute, cute. And it's a hoodie. Yes, I just love to be able to put a hoodie on my head. So, yes. Oh, it's black and white. You can see. I think I got all of this stuff on sale. But if it's still available, I'll leave a link down below just in case you're interested. And you should, because look how warm this is going to be. And some of you guys probably don't live in cold climates and you might not need such an item. But it's nice on cold nights because I know like in some states it get cold at night. So, all right, let's see. What is this? Oh, this is the same one in a different size. I always buy 2 sizes because you can always send it back just to make sure. So in that one, it's a 3X. So, and then I have another box here and a pearled box cutter. Yes, honey. Recognize that I did get the white pants. That's why I gave it, and I have the black pants. So the white pants and the black pants. And they are fleece. Yes. Oh, yes. They have the little Nike emblem. And I like that they straight legs. So they do kind of look short. So they might be, what they call those. These are standard fit mid-rise. And I also got these in a 2X. Nike is pretty consistent with their sizes. 2X is the usual 2X that you buy at most places. Or that's what I've been finding. So yeah, this is cute. They have a pocket on the side and they are fleece. You can't be without fleece. And you can wear fleece without long johns. And so then I'll just show you guys the black pair. And I think that's it. The rest of the Nike packages that I have are my Jordans. So I will do the Jordan video separate, so that this video isn't too long, because you know your girl be talking all the time. All it do is talk, 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 talk. And this is the same. This is black with the white. So it's kind of cool because I can interchange them. I could wear the white shirt with the black and vice versa. So I can create different outfits. I could just, you know, do the most and be me and whatever. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm so excited. Oh, and I'll try to insert some pictures. So peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.